Do you ever wonder how to let your cat know how much you care? Even though cats don't speak our language, there are clear ways to show them love that they'll understand. In this video, we'll show you 16 simple methods to express your affection for your feline friend. If you want your cat to feel secure and loved, it's important to communicate in a way they get. Cats are sensitive creatures, and how we interact with them can have a big impact on their happiness and well-being. Doing these small things can make a big difference in how close you and your cat become. By understanding what makes them feel loved, you help build a stronger bond and create a more trusting relationship. 1. Blink slowly and gaze lovingly into their eyes. Cats often show affection by slowly blinking at you. When you return the slow blink, they see it as a sign of trust and love. This simple gesture is like giving them a gentle kiss. To try it, get down to their level, look into their eyes, and blink slowly. If your cat blinks back, it's a sign that they feel safe and loved. This is a great way to connect with your cat and let them know that you care. Comment below if you've ever tried the slow blink with your cat and how they responded. Did you notice a special connection? 2. Groom them. Cats are very clean animals and spend a lot of time grooming themselves. By brushing them, you're not only helping them stay clean, but also creating a bond. Grooming feels good to them and shows that you care about their well-being. It's also a time when your cat can relax and enjoy your attention. Regular grooming sessions can reduce shedding and hairballs, keeping your cat comfortable and your home cleaner. Plus, the physical contact helps strengthen the connection between you and your cat. 3. Give them space when they need it. Cats value their independence. It's important to let them have some alone time when they want it. Unlike dogs, who might enjoy constant attention, cats appreciate having a quiet place where they can go to feel safe and comfortable. Providing a special spot for them, like a cozy bed in a quiet corner, shows that you respect their need for personal space. When your cat sees that you understand their need for privacy, they'll feel more secure and loved in your home. 4. Let them rub on you. When a cat rubs against you, they're marking you as theirs. This is a big sign of affection from them, and it's something to be welcomed. Cats have scent glands in their cheeks and head, and when they rub against you, they are leaving their scent on you. This is their way of saying, "You are part of my family." To show your cat that you understand and appreciate this, allow them to rub on you as much as they want. You can even reach out your hand and let them rub their cheeks along it. This small act of bonding helps your cat feel secure and strengthens the connection between you. 5. Provide comfortable beds. Cats love to sleep, so offering them a cozy bed shows you care. A comfortable place to rest is important for your cat's well-being, as they spend a large portion of their day sleeping. By placing beds in different areas of your home, you give your cat options to choose from, whether they want to be near you or prefer a quiet spot alone. Some cats like to sleep up high, so consider providing a tall cat tree with a comfy bed on top. This shows your cat that you care about their comfort and happiness, and it makes them feel more at home. 6. Offer tasty treats. Surprising your cat with their favorite food is a simple way to show love. Cats appreciate good food just like we do, and giving them something special shows that you're thinking of them. Whether it's a small treat or a favorite meal, offering food they enjoy is a great way to connect with your cat. Remember to choose treats that are healthy and suitable for cats, as this also shows that you care about their health. Treats can be a way to celebrate good behavior or simply a way to make your cat feel special. 7. Use a gentle voice. Cats respond well to the tone of your voice. Speaking softly and gently to them helps them feel safe and loved. Just like humans, cats can sense the emotions behind your voice. If you use a calm and soothing tone, your cat is more likely to feel relaxed and content. When you talk to your cat, try imitating their sounds, such as meows or purrs. This can help create a stronger bond between you and your cat, as they see it as a sign of affection. Your voice can be a powerful tool in building trust and showing love to your feline friend. 8. Give them a box to play in. Cats love boxes because they make them feel secure and hidden. Providing a box for your cat is a simple way to make them happy. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, A plain cardboard box can be a source of great joy for a cat. Placing the box in a quiet corner of the house gives your cat a cozy place to hide or take a nap. Adding a blanket inside can make it even more inviting. By offering your cat a box, you're showing that you understand their needs and want to make them comfortable. It's a small gesture that can mean a lot to your cat. 9. Play with them regularly. Playing with your cat is not only fun, but also important for their health and happiness. Cats have a natural instinct to hunt, and playtime is a great way for them to exercise this instinct. Interactive toys, such as feather wands or laser pointers, can provide hours of entertainment and help your cat stay active. Regular play sessions also strengthen the bond between you and your cat, as they learn to trust and enjoy your company. Even just a few minutes of play each day can make a big difference in your cat's well-being. Plus, it's a great way for you to relax and enjoy some quality time with your pet. 10. Pet them the way they like. Every cat has its own preferences when it comes to being pet. Some cats enjoy a gentle rub under the chin, while others prefer a scratch behind the ears or along their back. It's important to learn what your cat likes best. Pay attention to their reactions when you pet them. Purring, leaning into your hand, or closing their eyes are all signs that they're enjoying it. On the other hand, if your cat moves away, twitches their tail, or flattens their ears, they may not be in the mood for petting, or you might be petting them in a way they don't like. Respect their preferences and adjust your touch accordingly. By petting your cat the way they prefer, you show them that you understand and care about their comfort. 11. Watch their body language. Cats communicate a lot through their body language. By observing how they move and position their bodies, you can learn a lot about how they're feeling. For example, a cat that is relaxed might have a loosely curled tail, half-closed eyes, and may purr softly. On the other hand, a cat that's feeling scared or threatened might have wide eyes, a puffed-up tail, or be crouched low to the ground. Understanding these signals helps you respond appropriately to your cat's needs. If you notice your cat is feeling anxious, give them space or provide a comforting environment. By being attentive to your cat's body language, you can prevent stress and make them feel more secure and loved. 12. Let them sniff and lick you. Cats use their sense of smell to gather information about the world around them, and that includes you. When your cat sniffs you, they're getting to know you better, and when they lick you, it's a sign of affection. Licking is a way for cats to show that they trust and care about you. It's similar to the way they groom themselves or other cats. Allowing your cat to sniff and lick you is a way to strengthen your bond. Just be sure not to pull away suddenly, as this could make your cat feel rejected. Instead, let them take their time and enjoy the moment as a way of connecting with your pet. 13. Offer healthy food. Feeding your cat well-balanced meals shows that you care about their health and well-being. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they require a diet primarily made up of meat to stay healthy. Pay attention to the type of food you're giving your cat and make sure it meets their nutritional needs. It's also a good idea to notice which flavors your cat prefers. Offering them food they enjoy can be a simple way to make them feel loved and appreciated. While treats are fine in moderation, the main focus should be on providing healthy, nutritious meals that support your cat's overall health. This is a practical and effective way to show your cat that you care about them. 14. Spend time together. Spending quality time with your cat is perhaps the most important way to show your love. Cats may seem independent, but they still enjoy companionship and attention from their owners. Whether it's playing with them, sitting quietly while they nap nearby, or simply talking to them, these moments help strengthen your bond. Regular interaction lets your cat know that they are a valued part of your life. Even if you're busy, try to set aside a few minutes each day just to be with your cat. Over time, these small moments of connection will help build a stronger, more trusting relationship. 15. Keep their litter box clean. Cats are very particular about cleanliness, and keeping their litter box clean is essential to their happiness. A dirty litter box can cause stress and lead to unwanted behavior, like refusing to use the box. By keeping it clean, you show that you respect your cat's needs and care about their comfort. It's a simple task that can make a big difference in your cat's well-being. Make sure to scoop the litter daily and change it regularly to keep it fresh. This not only keeps your cat happy, but also helps maintain a clean and odor-free home. 16. Reward good behavior. Rewarding your cat for good behavior is a great way to show love and reinforce positive actions. Cats, like all animals, respond well to positive reinforcement. When your cat does something you want to encourage, like using the litter box properly, being gentle, or coming when called, offer them a small treat or extra affection. This not only makes your cat feel good, but also helps them understand what behavior is expected and appreciated. Over time, your cat will associate these actions with positive outcomes, which can lead to better behavior overall. This practice strengthens your bond and shows your cat that you notice and appreciate their good habits. Showing love to your cat doesn't have to be complicated. By understanding their needs and using these simple methods, you can build a strong, trusting bond with your feline friend. Whether it's through gentle petting, regular playtime, or simply spending quality time together, every little action you take lets your cat know how much they mean to you. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you show love to your cat? We'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cat care tips and pet-related content. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos to help you and your furry friend live your best lives together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.